Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. As you can see, we just crossed over into Port Maria and we're actually heading to Firefly Estate here in St. Mary. So stick and stay and we will show you how to get there. So after going straight until you see the court store, you turn left, go straight, and then you want to turn right at the Emanuel Baptist Church, and then you go straight thereafter. And now you want to turn left and continue straight. As you can see, there's a Firefly sign to the left, pointing to the right, so you want to turn right, continue straight. Alright, and we're almost there. Just need to continue a little longer. Just continue going straight. So viewers and subscribers, did you hear that? That was actually the navigation system telling me to turn left in 200 meters. Google navigation system. When really and truly there is no left turn. So this is why I had to make this video, because the directions are a little bit confusing. So please just follow this video, and you can check the description of the directions are there as well. So you want to turn right. The road isn't the smoothest, but trust that it is worth the drive. Almost there. Can you see the gate? Yes, my people, that's how you know we're almost there. Just a little longer. So yes, my people, it has been a long drive, but rest assured, you will be able to enjoy the rich and the lush vegetation here in St. Mary. It's a very nice parish. Just one quick suggestion. When you're going to Firefly, or if you would like to go to Firefly, be sure to make contact with the operators of this property before you go. And you may do so by contacting them on Firefly Jamaica on Facebook. Just do a search on Facebook, Firefly Jamaica. At the time of recording, I found a phone number which is 876-99-77201. Of course, I'm not sure how long this number will be in use, so you could try it and make contact with them before actually showing up. We are coming to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you've enjoyed, and let us know if you've ever been to Firefly before, or if you intend to. And please leave us a like and share with your friends. Also, you can see the full video of what the Firefly Estate actually looks like by clicking the link in the top right hand corner or in the description below. Thank you so much. And remember, please subscribe if you haven't and click the subscription bell. Take care.